Because I noticed na yung ganyang edad, may malay na talaga yung mga
Meron
bata.
naman.
And they hold on to these
Yeah.
memories.
Yeah.
Like it's the best day of their life.
Right.
But it's funny because even in those moments, even if it's not the best moment, these are still memories. And then you look
Sobra.
back and it's like, remember
Sobra.
that time nung muntikan tayo parehong mamatay kasi muntik tayo masagasay, di ba? Like these are all such core memories.
And sometimes, weirdly enough, yung mga medyo negative, yun yung natatandaan mo talaga
Yung
eh.
mga buwis buhay.
Yung mga buwis.
Muntik-muntikan ka na.
Correct.
And yet, nandito ka pa rin.
Yun. And I think the memorable ones nga, like you mentioned, are the hard ones.
The hard ones.
Are the tough ones, yung marami kayong adventure and most of all, misadventures.
Hello, hello, hello!
Hi, everybody!
Welcome to another episode of
Kami ang inyong mga...
Oy, nag-i-intro na tayo
Diba,
ngayon.
agad-agad, habang naaalala. Kasi kung nagdadala tayo
away.
sa chika eh.
Correct! Ito ang ating 16th episode and this will also be our season ender.
Oh!
Ibig sabihin,
Yes, nag-decide kami ng kami-kami lang na yung
Yes.
isang season ay 16 episodes.
kasi noong una sinasabi ko doon, ang isang season, di ba 13? Oh, dati 13, pero sa
May
K-drama,
12.
tayo mag-decide. Ngayon ang season ender natin.
Why ba?
16
tayo naman
episodes.
mag-decide itong show na to, di ba?
That's the whole point.
Tayo na mag-decide kung ilang F. Okay.
Decision natin tong lahat. Ito ang ating season ender. And I think it's something that's close to our hearts, yung ating magiging topic. Kasi it's something that we all love to do with our families.
And love to also dream about.
Oo.
You know, because sometimes it's just something that you think about, but sometimes it doesn't actually materialize.
Oo.
Diba? And it's a lot harder to make it happen than how you plan it. So yes, what are we going to be talking about today? We are going to talk about family travel.
Yes! So exciting. Kayo, bago tayo mag-upisa, dun sa mga tips natin, ginagawa natin when we travel with our families. Now, do you remember special or specific travel time that you had with your families when you were growing up?
Oh, yes.
Ang
I
saya,
will
diba?
start.
Kasi
Memory.
just nung sinabi mo yun, binalik ako agad dun sa moment na yun. So I remember ate when we were kids, it's just me and my brother John. We would travel to Caliraya.
Oh,
My
Okay.
parents would take
The
us
lake.
there.
Uh-huh.
Yes. I think Lake Caliraya pa nga yung pangalan
Bakit
ng
kayong
resort
dalawa lang ni
mismo.
Prati?
Kami pa lang yung mga anak.
Oh my
Ang liliit niyo
goodness.
pa
Dalawa pa lang
talaga.
kami. Tapos, ang kotse namin nun ay sedan.
Aha.
Okay? And then, my dad would drive, my mom is in front, tapos ang dami naming dalang gamit, Mars, na yung likod, kung saan kami nakaupo ni Kuya, puro gamit din yung katabi namin.
Okay.
Ganong level.
Okay.
And I remember we brought our rollerblades. I couldn't forget it. And then parang nandun ka sa likod, tapos hindi ka pwedeng magreklamo, tapos sobrang sikip. Kasi sobrang dami talagang gamit, Mars. Parang 2 kids and stuff like everywhere here. So parang nakaganon ka lang, tapos di ka pwede, yung tulog mo parang pag ganyan-ganyan lang. It's so memorable for me. And then pagdating namin doon, I remember may pool doon sa harap ng cottage mo. Tapos maliit lang siya na lugar, and then pwede ka mag-horseback riding.
Wow.
So nag-horseback riding kami ni Kuya. And then I remember my brother he did something with the horse that started running that it wasn't supposed to kasi hindi siya marunong. Tapos may parang body of water flowing dito, tapos papunta doon. Mars, tumalon yung kabayo ni Kuya pa ganun. Tapos parang windang na windang yung trainer. Alam mo yun, basta it was such an adventure.
And the whole time, hindi nalaglag yung kuya mo. Malamang,
Kasi
ang galing Ang
Tapos
galing
ako syempre walkathon lang kasi for the scared, di ba? Tapos, yun yung naaalala ko, Mars. And then, una kami muna, and then every summer we would go there, tas bigger family, kasama na yung mga titos and titas, we would go there. So yun yung parang very distinct family travel for me. Another one is going to Hong Kong, because my dad
Ay,
used to
wow.
work in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Aha.
So every summer, we would go there for 2 months straight, and we would live in the flat
Wow.
of my lola. Tas may pool sa baba.
2 months kayo sa Hong
2
Kong?
months kami doon, Mars.
Wow.
Kasi doon para
Every year?
makasama namin
Every
si
year,
daddy.
Mars?
At may bahay naman kayo dun eh. I mean, may tirahan kayo
I
dun.
think I remember we only did that once.
Aha.
Tapos sa baba may playground.
But it was just one trip, but it was a core
yes,
memory.
Mars.
It's
May
a core
pool doon.
memory.
My mom would hatid us sa elevator. Kami na ni Kuya yung bababa. Tapos nandun lang siya sa balcony. Kinakaway-kawayan lang niya kami. Kami lang yung nagsiswimming doon.
Mars, would you remember how old you were?
I'm probably around 5 or 6.
Oh.
Okay, because I noticed na yung ganyang edad, may malay na talaga yung mga
Meron
bata.
naman.
And they hold on to these
Yeah.
memories.
Yeah.
Like it's the best day of their life.
Right.
Ka-feeling ko ang yaman-yaman namin. Kasi ang tagal-tagal namin sa Hong Kong.
Correct.
Pero parang saktuhan lang naman kami. Narealize ko na very sakto lang yung parents ko. Like, they were really doing their best to work and provide for our needs.
Kasi Mars, alam natin kung sino totoong yamanin dito.
Alam nyo na. So, ganito yung mga family travels.
Sige, paano?
Papunta sa Lido Beach. Yung iba natatawa, if you were older, you would know what Lido Beach is. This is in Cavite. So, Cavite, malapit lang yun sa Manila. Ibig sabihin, maraming basura dyan.
Okay.
So the closest it is to the city.
Yes. So, hindi pa kami umaabot ng mga bata-Batangas. So, Cavite lang. My gosh, yung pag nagsiswimming kami, ang katabi talaga namin basura. So, paramihan kami ng mga nakukuha dun sa, habang lumalangoy ka ng mga plastic, ng mga ganyan. So, syempre, hindi mo yan makakalimutan kasi parang, di ba? Kumbaga, yun yung sinasabi ng parents namin, parang, wala tayong magagawa, puro basura talaga dito. So, kapag may basurang na ganyan sa harap mo, di itapon mo na lang pag ganyan.
Pero ang lungkot kasi that's like years ago. At
That was when I'm 50 now, so I must have been 7 during that time. So, 43 years ago, ganun na kapolluted yung kawalan ng bahala
Beach
doon
pa ba
sa...
ngayon?
Alam mo, hindi ko na alam kung tinambakan na ba ng lupa yan.
Oo, or
Baka
di ba
Okada na yan,
napapangalan?
hindi ko na nga alam.
Oo,
Kasi
hindi,
Cavite
tama
area
ka.
yan eh. So, I don't even know. But I don't hear about it anymore. And then one other important and core memory that we had was that when we drove all the way to sa may tip of Luzon, sa may Lawag.
Okay.
Lawag. So sa dulo siya talaga, di ba? May dalawa kaming driver na naghahalinhinan. Tapos noon, we were in a van. Tapos yung dad ko, pina-convert niya yung likod ng van namin na meron siyang magiging parang bench seats dito. Tapos meron kang igaganon, tapos may kutsyon, pwede siyang kama.
Wow.
So nakahiga. Wala pa yung mga Mark 3, Mark 4, kung ano may mga Mark dyan. Pak!
E150 mga ganun.
Oh, wala kami,
wala.
wala. Pinagawa yan
Mga
ng tatay.
artista van.
Mga artista van, wala. Pwede mong iganon, tapos may ididikit ka sa ilalim ganyan, tapos lalagyan mo ng kutsyon.
So yung
Matutulog
ididikit
kami
na
dyan sa
ganun,
gabi.
parang assemble lang to,
Parang
syempre.
ganun. Parang pull-out bed.
Okay.
May bench ganyan, tapos parang dalawang pull-out bed. Tapos lalagyan mo ng kutsyon. So pwede na kayong humiga.
Saya.
Ganon.
Happy na ako sa mga
Ang
ganyan.
saya.
Oo.
Apat kami na kids. Nakasya naman kami. Ang liliit namin. Tapos nun, sa sobrang tagal ng trip, ito yung nakakatawa. May arinola kami sa loob ng high-ace.
Fair.
At doon ko na-realize now that we're talking about it, in fairness, hindi malubak nun ha. Imagine mo, pag
Oh my
nagwiwi ka
goodness,
sa
kung
arinola,
matapon yan.
habang gumagalaw ang sasakyan. Hindi kami nalulubak. Wala akong memory na, natapon ng arinola, stop. Wala kaming ganun ha. So nag-travel kami.
Or maybe you didn't know na after you beat, tinatapon nila.
Tinatapon nila talaga at some point. Magsa-stop sila, tatapon nila. Tapos
Ayun.
kami, kids, back. Basta pag-uwi mo, tulog ka ulit. So my mother, of course, will bring everything you can imagine. Parang katulad din sa inyo, puno-puno yung gamit ninyo. Gamit pa ng mga driver namin, syempre ni daddy, gamit namin lahat, mga pagkain, etc.
Taray, may driver.
Dalawa.
Yamanin talaga.
Dalawa.
Ang totoong yamanin.
Kasama niyo pareho?
Pero hindi sila pwede gumamit tong arinola. Boys naman sila, lalabas sila.
So kasama sila pareho nga.
Kasama sila.
Kasi palitan sila.
Nagpapalitan sila eh.
Mars.
Listen yung
In
guys.
fairness naman, consistent naman yung pagiging mayam.
Kasi hindi, may gas station kami, di ba?
Yes.
So, yun yung isa namin dyan, mekaniko. Yung isa namin, driver talaga na. So, nagsasalitan sila kasi ang drive namin papuntang Lawag noon was 11 hours.
Wow.
Grabe dati, Mars.
Yup.
Grabe.
Wala pa naman yung mga expressway.
Side street
Medyo,
lang yan.
oo. Provincial road ka. So,
Ngayon, ilang oras na lang?
siguro Lawag, ano ba?
4?
6? Ay, hindi naman yata 4.
Wow.
Siguro
Five
mga
siguro,
6
Mars.
siguro. Ganyan, kung
Okay,
Lawag ka. So, kaya kami gano'n. So, pagdating namin doon sa Lawag, syempre, malakas ang alon dyan eh. Kasi dulo ka na ng Pilipinas, di ba? Di ko alam kung anong sea siya, Pacific Ocean ba siya, or I don't know. So, ang lakas ng alon. Kasi hindi pa masyado uso yung mga sunblock. Although meron na kami yung copper tone, yun lang naman ang sunblock dati.
Yes.
So, minsan lang kami maglalagay. Hindi pa kami masyadong masinop na after 2 hours, buong araw hanggang gabi kami sa beach. Super lakas ng alon. Tapos napipelt na kami ng mga pebbles.
Yeah.
Kasi tumatama na sa likod namin. That, aray. Gumagano kami kasi sakit. Pagdating sa gabi, nung nasa hotel na kami, hindi kami makatulog lahat. Sobrang sakit ng sunburn namin.
Wow.
It was so painful. Hindi na kami magkamayo kung paano kami hihiga. Everything was pain.
But it's funny because even in those moments, I mean, not the best moments,
Yeah.
these are still memories. And then you look
Sobra.
back and it's like, remember
Sobra.
that time nung muntikan tayo parehong mamatay kasi muntik tayo masagasay, di ba? But these are all such core memories.
And sometimes, weirdly enough, yung mga medyo negative, yun yung natatandaan mo talaga eh.
Yung mga buwis buhay.
Yung mga buwis.
Muntik-muntikan ka na.
Correct.
And yet, nandito ka pa rin.
Yun, kaya very grateful kasi
Diba,
yun yung mga
saya.
ganun. Kaya parang hindi ko siya makakalimutan kasi nga, hindi rin malaman ng nanay ko kung anong gagawin niya. Yeyelohan ba niya kami? Alam mo yung sunburn na putok-putok na yung ganun mo eventually.
Yung
Yung
kahit ano, kahit
nagbabalat.
maligo ka, yung tuwalya, parang aray, hindi mo man
Ganyang
May
klase.
t-shirt kapag
Oh
dumampi
my
sa'yo.
gosh. Kung pwede lang
masakit.
nakahubad ka na lang the whole day kasi sobrang that's one of my
Oh my God.
core memory na beaches. Pero parang now that you mentioned it was so painful, it was so uncomfortable, but wow, I remember it so well and
so
I kind of
memorable.
liked it. Yeah.
so memorable.
Yeah. Ikaw, when you were growing up
And how
sa
about like,
Australia,
how about may abroad kang trip? Na
nung
sobrang
bata.
memorable? Yeah.
So, hindi kami totoo mayaman. So, totoo kami nakapag-abroad.
Huwag mo nang bawiin eh.
So, nung college ako, nagpunta kami ng Hong Kong.
Wow.
Pero kasi nilibre kami ng friend ng tatay ko na mayaman.
Ang saya.
Don't we all wish we had a friend like that na kaya nila manlibre ng mga pamilya?
Never pa kaming nalibre.
Tsaka buong
on a
pamilya
travel.
to Daya. At tsaka may pocket money kami Tara! Pinalipad na kami doon
Sino
at
ba to?
lahat may
Pwede
hotel
bang
na
ano?
to.
Sino ba?
Pakilala
Hinahanap
ko
na
yung
siya ng mga otoridad ngayon.
Gawin natin
Pero-
ninong.
Hinahanap na po siya ng mga otoridad ngayon. Pero thank you for...
Ano yung mabuga?
Tito, joke lang. Pero kung nasa ka man, I just want you to know that I'm so grateful.
Kahit na paano napaambon mo po sa iba yung nakuha nyo.
Generous, di ba, to the friends? Pero
my
kasi,
gosh.
the only other time, kasi hindi mabiyahe yung parents ko. Noong unang panahon, wala naman yung mga Cebu Pacific, wala naman yung mga ganyan. So, walang budget airline. So, pag bumiyahe ka talaga, mahal talaga. Ilang kami sa pamilya, 4 kaming anak, parents pa namin. Hindi pa masyadong matravel ang mga tao noon. The first time that I would have been able to travel out of the country would have been when I was working for Game Plan already.
Wow.
Otherwise, my family, hindi kami
Hindi, pero kasi
nagta-travel abroad.
talaga ate, ang pagbiyahe dati, especially out of the country,
Nako,
para lang talaga siya
big
sa
time.
mga mayayaman.
Big time siya, big time.
As in, pangarap siya.
Yes.
Ngayon kasi parang wow, you can just easily go.
Kahit pa
Pag-ipunan
paano.
mo lang ng konti, mas madali.
Kaya.
Kumpara mo
Thanks also to
dati.
this budget airline.
Yung mga
It's
seat
a
sales. Tapos yung maaga ka pa lang, may mga promo, nagbubuka, sobrang dali.
pesos, may mga peso seat sale.
Yes. So,
Pero dati talaga, Mars,
hindi,
wala.
pangmayaman talaga,
Pangmayaman siya. At
pangmayaman.
saka yung suntok sa buwan, yung pangarap mo
Disneyland.
na sana mangyari.
Disneyland, di
Pero
ba yung
hindi
makapag...
mo masasabi kung kailan.
Kaya nga happy na nga lang tayo dun sa mga drive-drive lang.
Oo. At dati, sobra akong sinungaling kasi ningit nga ako dun sa, syempre after summer, di ba? So, pagpapasok na, saan kayo nang galing? Syempre yung mga mayabang ko friends, ang galing sa Disneyland, nag-stays lahat, di ba? So, nakikinig ako, so ano yung mga rides doon? Ay, meron doon yung haunted house. Yung pagdating mo doon, tapos may mga mumu, may mga tapos meron doon yung, kunwari, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oo.
So, aakyat ng akit, gano'n. Tapos pulang ilaw lang yun nandun. Tapos biglang magdadrop, gano'n, madilim na. O sige, pakinig. Tapos nag-iimbento ako, nagkalig din ako sa States. So, parang, sasabihin lang, may ibang friend na, ano ginawa niyo ng summer? Nagpunta kami sa Disneyland. Oh.
Uulitin mo yung kwento nung...
Yes. Yung kausap ko, nakapag-Disneyland. Sige, nag-Disneyland ka, ano meron doon? Di ba?
Alam mo, nakakainis yung kaklaseng ganyan.
Di ba
Sige
kasi-
nga, patunayan mo nga
Na
na
ayaw
pumunta ka
maniwala.
doon. Oo.
Yung mukha pa lang, di ba? Di ako parang, di ba meron yung ride na mandilim, tapos may isang ilaw lang na pula. So, dinidescribe ko.
Oh my gosh, ang galing mo doon.
Sobra ko sinungaling nung bata ko. Sobra. Pero nung tumanda ako, hindi na ako nagsisinungaling. Parang naubos ko na lahat ng kasinungalingan.
Well, thankfully. I think we all go through a season like that. Nung mga bata tayo, Mars, may mga kalukuhan talaga tayo.
Invento.
Funny, di ba, thinking about it na you really had to do that, di ba? Parang grabe, what was I thinking?
Peer
Sobrang
pressure, guys.
Yes.
We feel you.
Yes. Yung parang, ako lang bang hindi nakapunta sa States? Well, nakapunta na rin ako. According
Sa
to my...
kwento.
Sa kwento. Pero yun lang. Pero kasi hindi naman talaga kami nagta-travel abroad. Pero marami kami mga road trips. Because my dad loves the beach or loved the
Okay.
beach. So we would always travel. Tapos sabi nila nung nanay ko, yung tatay mo, ang hilig-hilig mag-aya na mag-beach. Pero ako naman nag-aasikaso ng lahat. So,
Ano pa nga ba? Yung mga nanay.
alam nyo naman yan. So, wala nang magawa yung nanay ko. Asikasuhin niya lahat. Hanggang sa pati yung kamatis na hihiwain niya para isama sa itlog na maalat, na magiging sausawa ng inihaw na pusit. Yung ganun, hahandain lahat ng mga, pati yung uling na pang-ihaw, hahandain mo yon. Lahat talaga hinahanda ng mga nanay.
At hindi ka pwedeng may maiwan.
Ay,
Kasi
nako.
hindi ka
Hindi
basta-basta
pwede.
makakabili. It's not as
Hindi.
convenient as it is
Hindi,
now.
Hindi. Pati yung kutsilyong panghiwa mo, dala mo yung kaldero.
Ay, Mami
Yan. Kayo naman sa
We're
Australia.
in Australia.
Taray, with an accent. Kasi yung iba hindi alam
Well,
ba't ka
you
daw
know,
may
like back in
accent.
Australia.
Nag-Australia
Back
kasi
in
siya.
Australia.
Mag-Australia.
It would take like a long drive back to Wollongong.
Ayan.
Wollongong, Mars.
Wollongong.
Parang galing
Okay,
Beach ba
so
yun?
actually, if you think about it,
Galing mo para
if I
matanda.
think about it, we didn't really have family trips.
Okay.
But what we did have were, I guess, family in a sense, pero dahil sama-samang mga ibang pamilya sa church namin. So kaya kasi kung kami-kami lang, actually wala akong maisip. Maybe I had random fishing trips with my dad na kaming dalawa lang, or we probably did small fishing trips with my cousins, but hindi yung kami-kami lang with my sisters and my mom and my dad.
Ano ba yung age differences niyo magkakapatid? 3 girls kayo, di ba?
3 girls kami. The one older than me is 6 years older.
Ah.
And then the one older than her is 10 years older than me. So hindi kami magkakalapit in age. So iba-iba din kaming trip.
Oo nga.
But yeah, we never really did na immediate family trips, but we would move together as a family to join other families. Na sobrang naging core memory ko because on weekends, it was a church thing. And it's because, you know, Filipinos like to have their own community even when they're abroad.
Of
So we had a
course.
Filipino church community. And nagyayaya sila sa Wollongong where we have a friend that lives there and they have a house. So it's like a 2-hour drive, a 2.5-hour drive. So we'd all drive up there. Tapos ang saya, Mars, because we'd all sleep at that house.
Aha.
Tapos minsan hati-hati pa kami doon sa mga ibang bahay. So all the kids will stay here and then all the adults will be here. Tapos ang nangyayari,
Saya.
early in the morning, all of our dads would go fishing. Wow. All of our dads would go fishing and then
Lake ba yan o dagat?
dagat.
Oh.
Dagat. And then all the kids will just wake up whenever you want to wake up and then we'll just we'd have our own adventures. We'd either be playing in the backyard or rollerblading down the roads,
ilan
getting
kayo,
into
Mars?
accidents. Siguro mga 7 or 8
Kids.
kids kami.
Oo.
Or maybe even more. Depende kung sino yung mga families na makakapunta. And then, basta we'd,
Ang saya
we'd just
niya.
have
Then
so
the
much
moms would
fun
cook.
together.
Oh,
We would-
yan.
and then the moms would prepare
Yan,
lunch.
nice,
And then the
nice,
dads would
nice.
come home with their
With their
fish, with their
fish.
huli. And then
Tas
that would be
kakainin
part of the
nila.
lunch.
Oh.
So yun yung parang it became a regular thing. So that is really a core memory.
That's beautiful.
Ingrained
Yeah.
in my memory. Tapos we'd have our own silly adventures where yung friend ko, muntik ng malunod kasi sobra yung waves. Tapos tumalon siya ng nakamaong, di namin
Ang
nalakuan
bigat.
So we'd laugh at each other. Tapos there was a time that there was like, the current was pretty strong, but the river was shallow.
Oo.
So we'd all get into it kasi parang, oh, it's like a river rapid. Pero biglang sumasayad na yung mga tuhod namin sa mga oysters.
Ow! Sugat-sugat kayo.
Sugat-sugat. Eh, syempre, we're trying to like grab something to stand up. Tapos may mga hiwa-hiwa na yung mga likod namin, yung mga paa namin. But yun din, parang ikaw, na parang these are, medyo morbid yung mga memories, pero memorable siya.
Sobrang memorable. Sobra.
Kasi parang nakakatawa na, remember that time na you almost drowned? Remember that time na you got like
scraped
cuts in your
yes.
feet?
Oo.
But these are the memories na nakakatawa, but sobrang
Shucks,
memorable.
oo nga, no?
Oo.
I remember nag-outing kami before. Nung pinunta namin na pool, pinupuno pa lang. So, kahit bata kami, parang hanggang dito pa lang yung
pero
so
happy na
corny.
kayo.
Pero parang, ang corny naman ito kasi hindi kami makaswim. So, ginagawa namin, lumuluhod kami. Sa Antipolo to Habang finifilapan pa lang yung pool, para man lang umabot dito yung tubig, di ba? Di lumuluhod kami. May crack yung tile. So, nasugat ako dito. So, sabi ko, nasugat ako. Pagtayo ko, paglabas ko ng pool, naka-stretch yung leg ko. So, sarado yung sugat ko. Tapos sabi yung nanay ko, wala ka namang sugat. Pag ganun ko, buka yun dito. Buka yun dito ko. Tapos, di nagpanik na yung nanay ko kasi ang laki talaga. Hiwa talaga yung knee ko. Meron ako dito, may tahi ako dyan. Ayan,
Ay,
you can
naku,
see.
meron din akong
Ayan,
childhood.
yan.
Meron ako, from my childhood, ayan.
Saan naman, bike yan?
Ay, hindi. Kasi nag-hide and seek kami. Natuhod ko yung isang kanto ng brick wall.
Aroy.
Yan na siya.
Butas.
Oo, butas.
Tinahi
Butas.
yan? Tinahi?
Parang hindi. Binand-aid ko lang ata yan.
Alcohol lang yun, tsaka
Fairness,
mertiolate.
Oo.
Oo.
Tsaka hipan-hipan ko.
No, but yun yung nakakata. I remember in Wollongong, I mentioned a while ago, we would rollerblade. Hindi pa ako gaano marunong mag-rollerblade.
Oo nga.
Pero, pa-downhill kasi yung bahay ng kaibigan namin. Tapos, it's not enough that we just go downhill. Dapat nakahawak kami sa bike para faster. Para faster. So, we were a train. Yung isang,
I'm so nervous.
Someone was on the bike and then we were all holding on to each other. Syempre, pabilis ng pabilis. So, kumakalas na yung mga tao. hindi pa ka ako masyadong marunong. So,
Oo.
I couldn't let go of the person in front of me who was Jenny.
Yes.
And she was like, let go. And I couldn't let go.
No! I'm not letting go.
Until eventually.
Nair. Ano ba? Nair.
Until
I'm not letting
eventually,
go.
we just stood on our butts and then we got big burns on our butt.
Whoa.
Yung sobrang laki ng gasgas.
tosino talaga.
Tosino yung ang
Tosino.
hirap
Oh my
ng
God.
umupo sa toilet.
Oo, tas yung masaklap dyan, Mars, hindi ka pwedeng magreklamo sa magulang.
Ay, hindi.
Tatago mo yan.
Hindi.
Kasalanan mo yan.
At saka may galit na yung kaibigan ko sa akin. Kasi parang kasalanan mo to eh. Ayaw mo kasing kumalas.
Bumitaw!
Pero ito yung mga childhood memories. But I have to say, we were...
Nandamay ka pa.
Sorry na, hindi pa kasi... Hindi ba, ewan ko ba? But
Biglock daw siya ni Jenny sa
Super fun
Jenny,
yung mga...
sorry na.
We had such an awesome childhood and I would love for my
So
children to have
wonderful.
the same.
Yes.
But, meron din akong core memory na, sorry, nakapag-states kami.
Oh.
Wow! Ilang taong ka niyan?
Maybe I think I went when I was 3 because I was...
May budget.
Hindi, wait lang, wait. I'm sure sponsored din siya.
Bakit?
I'm pretty sure sponsored because...
Friend of a friend?
No, at that time kasi my aunts and my uncles would help us pay for our tickets.
Oh, wow.
Oo.
Ang bait naman.
No, but Mars, if you think about it, even now as adults, it's the only way that you can have family come together. Because the reality is, financially, every family is going to be in a different place. And when you're older with their own offspring, it's not that easy to just be like, oh,
Gawin
next
natin
Christmas
to.
doon tayo, ha?
Oo nga.
If you really wanna make it happen, meron at meron talagang mga kamag-anak
Exactly.
at
So
pamilya.
for it to happen right now, it's either the lola and the lolo
Yes.
mag-aambag to make
Yeah,
that trip
yeah,
happen.
yeah.
Or
At
the
that time,
mag-siblings, yung
Oo,
magkakapatid.
at that
Oo.
time, it was my dad's siblings
Oo,
that
oo.
would make these trips
Oh,
happen.
wonderful.
Happen for
Because
us.
if they were doing well naman in life, siguro baka not as many kids, or
At saka I
baka
guess-
have a good job, they
Yes,
have a good
yeah.
job.
Life was
extra
good at that
talaga.
time for
Yeah,
them. So,
yeah,
they had
yeah.
enough to,
Oh,
to...
wonderful.
Oh, so that's how I got to know my cousins. And then we had this awesome trip. We all rode a big bus going to Vegas. And it was so fun. All the kids were in the back, and then all the older kids were all together.
Yeah.
And then they had like secrets. Yung ate ko, nagpa-piercing. Tapos it was a secret that those cousins kept. Oh, and then kami naman sa likod, we'd have so much fun at the arcades. But yeah, like this is my dream really for my family also to have.
And
with
I
their
think you open
cousins.
up that kind of opportunity for them kasi sobrang chill yung family. Tapos kung saan-saan kayo nakakarating, pati sa gilid ng C5 na overpass, nakadating na yung mga anak mo. Di ba parang ang open nyo din sa adventures like that.
We are-
Hindi sila sheltered kids.
Yes, we are ready for adventures.
Oo,
Wherever
oo.
it may be.
Oo.
But yeah, so yeah, it's different now. So
Yeah.
ngayon, paano nga ba mag-travel with kids?
And do you feel like, I mean, maybe apart from you, that we are a little too careful with our kids? Nako. Kasi
Oh,
gusto
ganda.
gusto natin sila magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng adventure, pero natatakot din naman tayo. Baka masaktan, baka mauntog, baka makagat ng whatever, di
Hindi
ba?
lang yan. Baka may predator
Oo.
somewhere nearby.
Oo.
Di ba?
Baka
May mga
human
ganyan.
trafficking. Oo. Kasi ito yung mga nakikita mo at naririnig mo sa social media na bigla na lang kukunin yung anak mo.
Oo,
and stuff
oo,
like that.
oo.
So, kailangan may preparation din siya doon sa part na yun.
Right,
So,
right.
siguro ako, I'll start. Dati, nung maliit pa si Nathan, specifically Nathan, ang naging style ko dati, Mars, is that ayokong i-istorbo yung tulog niya, yung pahinga niya, kailangan nasa bahay lang, yung ganon. Tapos kasi parang feeling ko, it's because it's easier for me. Kapag controlled
Yes,
yung environment, kapag nasa routine ka, kapag may naiba kasi doon, ikaw din yung magsasuffer. And then, with VJ, sobrang iniba naman niya yun. Siya yung parang, okay lang yan. Lahat okay lang. I'm like, pero nap time niya. Matutulog yan pag inaantok siya. So, si VJ yung medyo parang nag-change nung ganong bagay sa akin. Come pandemic, I think Nolan was less than a year old. Tapos sobrang stuck lang kami sa bahay. So, VJ would drive somewhere to Tanay, would look for like an open space where we can all go as a family. Tapos ako lang, tapos walang help. So, Nala was like almost 2 years old. And then Nolan is like
Baby.
less than a
Oo.
year.
Yeah.
Tapos ako lahat. Gamit. Tapos
Yeah.
syempre si Nathan, si VJ. So parang for a time, I used to like resent VJ for it. Alam mo yun? But then eventually, I realized that it was good training. Kasi na-realize ko na ang sarap palang pag kayong-kayo lang.
Yeah.
Na kaya nyo lahat. And then eventually, we were able to find the way to help each other out. Like, na-share ko sa kanya na medyo nahihirapan ako kung ako lahat. So, I need you to help me with these things. So, na-communicate ko yun sa kanya. So, medyo naging maayos siya. And then eventually, Mars, we were able to travel a lot. Like, I believe, year 2022, nagbubuhol kami. Kung saan, domestic lang. But we would fly without help. And that was something for me na I'm so glad I was able to do.
Yeah.
Kasi
Achievement.
iba yung experience pag kayo lang na
Yes.
Iba yung dynamics.
Yung dynamics. Oo.
Iba yung natuturo sa'yo bilang nanay,
Yes.
sa inyo bilang mag-asawa, kay
At sa mga
kuya,
bata.
oo, bilang kuya, na uy, hindi mo lang sarili mo yung iisipin mo, pati rin yung mga bata. Ang daming hit and miss, pero matututo at matututo ka. And then, kapag na-master mo na ng somehow yung domestic flights, ready ka na for international
nag-practice
flights.
na sila.
Practice pala
Tsaka
yun,
lahat
Mars.
iisipin mo, paano yung gatas,
Yan.
paano yung
Oo,
ganito.
yes.
So even yung preparation for that,
Iba.
my kids were breastfed. After that, ang transition namin is yung milk na madaling bitbitin. So kumbaga hindi namin sila sinanay na yung maging picky. Alam mo yun?
Being able to adjust.
Yes. Pero when you travel, hindi mo kailangang dalhin. What's available there, you can buy and you can give it to them.
Galing.
Pati sa pagkain.
Pero kasi fresh milk sila, no?
Oo,
Fresh milk.
oo. Parang slowly transition to that. Like from breast to, of course, powdered milk. And then
nag-powder
fresh
din,
milk. So parang dahan-dahan yung transition. Kasi may goal ka na na kailangan makabiyahe tayo. At sa biyahe natin, dapat yung madaling paraan. So, for me, yun yung na-realize ko na parang buta na lang nandun si VJ to change my ways. Kasi kung ako yun, Mars, baka hindi kami nakabiyaheng pamilya. Kasi I would always think about safety, bahay
Or
lang.
you'd probably be waiting for the time when it's easier.
Which for me, it will never be easier. Kasi kung hindi sila sanay bumiyahe. Kumbaga meron at meron ka pa ring day one.
Mga
Diba?
nganay ka na mga nganay. Na-delay mo lang yung, na-delay mo
Kahit
lang yung
nasabihin
panganay
mong
nila.
they're older,
Yeah.
pero kung hindi pa rin sila sanay doon sa sistema ng pangbiyahe, wala. So ngayon, at their age, hawak nila passport nila, alam nila alam nila yung mga responsibilidad nila, mga boarding pass. Pero syempre, nervous na nervous
Of
yung nanay, di ba?
course.
Even si Nala Nolan.
Silang dalawa, Mars,
Yung passport
BJ.
nila?
Basta bumabiyahe kami, ayan ang mga gamit niya.
Pati passport nila?
Pero Mars,
Paulit-ulit?
pero Mars, yun
Paulit-ulit?
naman.
Paulit-ulit tayo? Pati
Yung
passport nila?
stress ko, Mars, is that I'm always on the lookout. Hawak nyo. Kasi kailangan masanay. Nathan is 18. And those are one of the things na hindi ko yung tinuro sa kanya. So siya yung parang, ano yung mga kailangan ko? Yung parang, wala lang. Okay, so hindi pwede. Okay, guys, pihit tayo. Ngayon pa lang dapat
Briefing,
alam nyo
briefing.
kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo pag bumabiyahe kayo. Yun na, yung mga
I
wipes
love
nila,
it.
mga and stuff.
I
And
love
it's
it.
VJ na nag-i-encourage
That's
yun.
good training.
Pero syempre, naka-double alert ka, Mars. Asan yung mga ano nyo? Asan yung gano'n? Pero it's a good training.
Good for you. And you started them earlier. Syempre, now my kids bring their own passports. They're so big na. Pero I remember at some point also, pag kunwari, di ba minsan, kasi malalaki na yung kids ko eh. Even mga siguro 3-4 years ago. Syempre, minsan pag sa immigration, iba-iba pinapapila dito. Yung tinginan ng tinginan. Yung passport laging nasa nanay, di ba? I remember one immigration agent nang papunta sa States or something, sabi, why are the passports always with the moms? Kasi magtuturoan eh. My passport is with, hindi kami to ibang family, pero ganun talaga yung,
Binibiro
ginagawa.
na ngayon ng
Tama,
immigration
diba?
officer.
Why are the passports always with the moms? So ngayon, syempre, pero I think I started them later than yours because obviously from the shock that we had, the small kids are carrying their passports, hindi ko pinapadala sa kanila yan nang ganyan sila kaliit.
Actually,
I did just for travel, Pero syempre,
No, of course. Pero still,
Pagdating doon, ay secure na.
Galing. Sobrang galing. May pagtitiwala, may prayers. Alam pag naging magulang ka, ang lakas mo magdasal. Wala ka na kasi magawa sa ibang bagay.
Saka yung tiwala, Mars, talagang pipikit mo at ibibigay mo. Kasi you wanna be in control because it's easier.
Yes.
Diba? It's
Yes.
easier.
But
But
then
the
yes.
reality is,
You're
hindi pala
depriving them
pwede.
of the lesson.
Oo. At kaya pala nila.
Yes, you'll be surprised na underestimate ko yung anak ko. Pero kaya naman.
Nice. Well, that's great inspiration for, syempre, hindi naman it's too late for me. Ibig ko lang sabihin because my kids are grown up na. Pero to have that concept of, pwede pala sila umpisahan na bigyan ng ganong kalaking responsibilidad. Nothing is bigger than a passport, I think, when you're traveling.
Which is probably why I probably don't have the confidence to let them hold their passport. I might let them hold something else like take care of your iPad or take care of your tablet. But yung
That's also
passport,
big. That's also
Marcin,
big.
Which is
It's
also big. But yeah, hindi ko pa kaya, Marcin.
Props!
Sa ngayon,
Well done,
maybe
babe.
kuya
Can
sa
do
ngayon,
it na.
hawak
Well
ni
done,
Lulu
babe.
lahat ng mga passport. Pati yung akin.
Oh, in fairness, si Drew responsible.
Yes. It's with the dad.
With the dad, not with the mom.
Because I'm the
Look
one
at
that's
that.
like watching over the kids, making
Right,
sure
right.
na...
Oo.
But yeah, nice one, Mars.
I love it. Kami naman, bata pa lang, inano na namin sila about sustainability. So bukod dun sa may bit-bit silang sariling mga wipes, towelettes, whatever, sa bag nila, meron silang reusable bag, meron silang reusable water bottle. Na laging may problema pag nasa airport kasi nakakalimutan namin inumin. Bago na,
EMT.
so EMT naman nga. May mga airport, syempre as usual, pag sa Japan na meron silang sink. And I think all airports announcement should have that thing that's beside the trash can where
For
you can
liquids.
ditch
Kasi
everything.
ngayon, Mars, sa basurahan tinatapon,
Basurahan.
napupuno.
Hindi, isipin mo rin yung nagliligpit ng basurahan. Basa
Kawawa
pag nabutas pa yun,
May
di ba?
butas yan, oh.
Exactly.
Kasi
So,
wala kang choice, tatapon.
wala eh. Pero sa Japan, at saka I think may isa sa States, na pwede mong itapon nga naman yung liquid mo so you can use your reusable bottles. So bata pa lang sila, nag-reusable bottles na kami. Tapos dati nung maliliit sila, pag nasa abroad kami, sa gabi, lilinisan ko na lahat yan, sasabunin ko, i-refill, tas ready the next day. Syempre malaki na sila ngayon. Everybody linisin na yung mga water bottles. I don't need to remind them na, next day, malilinis na yung mga bottles until one of them said, you know my friend, they don't clean down their water bottle.
Kasi it's just water anyway.
Wag mo silang gayahin, anak. Wag mo silang gayahin. Basta lilinisin nyo yan at the end of every day. So it's those small things that create habits then for them that eventually you do for them in the beginning and then at some point, dahil malaki na sila, they'll do na for themselves. Yung tanong na lang is, kailan, di ba?
Yes.
Kailan ka ba ready na pagkatiwalaan sila, nalilinisan ba nila yung water bottle nila o hindi naman nila huhugasan? Bahala na kayo, it's up to you. Pero
Pakikiramdaman nyo na yan.
pakikiramdaman nyo. Pakikiramdaman nyo. Iba-iba din yung personality.
Yes.
Oh, and there are different things you know na, okay, I think he or she is ready for this new skill.
Yes.
So like, kunwari, okay,
Yes.
I have to be able to trust you first with your Nokia. So
Yeah.
that if we need to call you, I mean, lalo na kasi si Primo ngayon, he's really independent. Like if he wants to go practice his basketball,
Yeah.
we let him go to a place on his own to practice his basketball. But we tell him,
nice.
but love, if you're gonna go, you gotta learn to be responsible with your phone. So make
Right.
sure it's charged.
Yeah,
Make
yeah.
sure you have your bag with you, with your
Wow.
water.
Wow.
So that we can call you and so that you
So
can
ang
call
phone
us.
niya ngayon, yung
Nokia
keypad.
Mars.
Perfect. That's what I got for
oo,
the kids
perfect,
too.
perfect.
Not
para,
a...
para we can call
Just
them.
for
Hindi
call.
smartphone.
Oo,
Yan,
oo.
yan,
Pero
yan,
ngayon, Mars, meron na silang watch,
Yes.
yung
Oo,
La
na
Genio.
pwede mong
So,
tawagan.
at least we can also video call them. Pero medyo bago-bago pa yan. So we're still getting used to that.
Right, right.
But yeah, it started with the regular
How old is
Nokia
Primo?
phone. He's turning 10.
Oh.
Medyo po.
He's turning 10.
Oo. I love it.
Yeah.
Kaya na. Saktong age. No, saktong age na.
So when we can see that, he's being responsible with that, then
Right.
I think next will be the passport, Mars.
Yes, kaya na ni Kuya.
Mahirap maiwan kasi yung isa
That's right.
on a trip, di ba?
Isa lang ang
Hindi
makaiwan
kasi
yan.
ako,
Iwan
hindi.
kayong
Mars, I
lahat.
have a
Actually-
lot of kids. I have two na kailangang bantayan. So medyo mas manageable siya.
Okay, I have 5 na kailangan.
Correct. Tapos
Pero
ito, may
syempre si
kuya.
Dudoy tsaka si anong
But it's something na, because I tell Leon, kunwari, he doesn't bring something or he didn't follow an instruction and he tells me, I forgot, Mama. I have to explain to him, love. When you get older, I forgot's not gonna cut it. It's not gonna be a valid excuse. So that's why now we have to practice.
Yeah, tama.
So that,
Tama.
like, kunwari, nasa yung passport mo? I forgot. Pwede. Hindi pwede I forgot.
Yan ang hindi pwedeng
Sa bahay pa lang,
ma-forget.
pag nawala,
Yan ang
problema
hindi
na.
pwedeng
Ito,
ma-forget.
Mars. Pinakamahirap na biyahe na na-experience nyo kasama ang pamilya.
Wow.
Yung talagang challenging to or nagkaroon ng aberya or what have you in that specific travel.
Ako, Mars. Mine was when we went to Hong Kong and I thought I had it all planned, thinking na outsmart, I had the perfect plan of bringing a wagon. Kasi I wanted to bring the wagon to Disneyland para isang shoot lang silang lahat doon.
Oo.
Hila.
Tapos tulak, kung gusto nilang lumabas, edi
Oo,
talon lang sila,
tama.
lalabas
Okay,
lang
yeah.
sila. As opposed to having 4 different strollers,
Right.
4 na bata na kailangan i-strap. Tapos ang ending, Mars, bawal palang wagon sa Disneyland Hong Kong. So the plan
Didn't work.
out the window, Mars. Out the window. Ano nang gagawin namin? I had Astro, Leon, Duday, and Prima with me. And then I was pregnant with Anya. And I
Not
had my
enough
mom.
strollers, not enough people to push strollers.
Exactly.
Tama ba?
Yeah.
Wala silang twin strollers,
They didn't have twin strollers, Mars.
So, ano
So-
nangyari?
So ang
Ilan ang
nangyari,
adults?
buti
Ilan kayo
na lang,
adults? Tatlo?
It was just me, my mom, and Drew.
Oo.
So, kulang ng isa.
Kulang ng isa na magtutulak.
Oo. And also, I didn't want my mom to. I wanted her in a wheelchair actually. Because syempre sa Disneyland yan. Ayoko mapagod
haba
si
ng
mommy
lakad
and
niyan.
birthday pa
Ang
niya
lak-
yun.
Oo
And
nga.
ayokong
Hi, tita!
at saka ayokong iiwanan ng mommy ko kasi may mom's like, hindi anak, balikan mo lang ako. Ayoko nang ganun. I'm like, Mom, that's why you're here, to be with us. And I don't want you to feel like, hindi siya nakakasama sa amin.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
said, Ma'am, alam ko labag sa kalooban mo, pero mag-wheelchair ka na. Sige na, please ma.
At pwede tayo magsampa ng dalawang bata
Exact-
sa'yo.
Sabi ko, Mama, makakatulong ka
Tita
pa
Ellen,
sa akin.
sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Ano pala? May ibang agenda pala.
Totoo, that's what happened.
Sobrang stable nun, perfect yun.
Exactly. So that's what happened. So I had Dudoy in a carrier, and then I had Mom in a wheelchair, Duday on Lola,
lap?
and then Drew with a stroller in each hand.
Nagdalawa pa rin
So
sila. Oo
our
nga.
hands
were full.
But
Literal.
that was like, kailangan pumihit Mars. Kasi I could have been like, hindi pwede, ito yung plano eh. Pero Mars, buti na lang, I'm blessed with a husband who is kalmado and very quick to adjust.
Yeah.
He didn't even give me any time to be like, hindi mo ba ni-research to?
Oo, correct.
Hindi mo ba na-check online kung pwede? I didn't get any of that
Yeah,
from him.
yeah,
He was just
yeah,
like,
yeah.
okay.
Anong solution natin dito?
What can we do?
Diyan pumapasok mga executive function. Yan. The executive function. Parang, how am I gonna manage the situation?
Oo, tsaka dyan pumapasok yung maturity.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, correct,
yes.
correct. Kasi
Diba?
mas madali manisi eh, di ba?
Oo, and just the reality na when you're
Lalo na kung
traveling.
nadamay ka lang.
Correct. Uwi na tayo,
At
uwi.
saka just the reality na when you're traveling with kids, anything can happen.
Yeah,
And you
totoo.
just gotta
Totoo.
be ready to
Shift.
Yeah,
shift
yeah,
gears
yeah.
when you
Yeah.
need to. So that was a challenge that we went through.
Ganda.
Na
And
naitawid.
survive. I love it.
Ikaw, Mars?
Kami naman, parang we were trying to find the cheapest flight to Australia. And that one would have landed us, parang we needed a stopover sa may Malaysia.
Okay.
Pero ang flight namin was, let's say, yung connecting flight namin would have been another, say, 12 hours.
Wow, okay.
So hindi kami pwede maghintay dun sa airport. And it was a small airport. It wasn't their international airport. It's not a big airport.
Pero pwede kayong lumabas.
Pwedeng lumabas. So kumuha naman ako ng small hotel na para meron man lang kaming banyong magamitan.
Yes.
Pero super liit niya. I think bit-bit pa namin yung maleta. Parang bit-bit nga namin lahat ng maleta because it was such a long layover. It wasn't the type na i-forward nila yung maleta mo eh. So bit-bit namin maleta, bit-bit namin yung tatlong bata. Hinanap namin yung hotel. I think we walked it. It was nearish because you could see it. Pero you couldn't walk a straight line towards the hotel kasi you were within an airport eh. So may mga gate yan. So ang dami namin bit-bit, ang dami naming anak. Tapos isa lang yata yung kwarto na kinuha namin kasi parang rest stop lang siya. So siksikan kami doon sa may isang kama lang bago kami bumalik ng airport. It was so long. Tapos naglalakad yung mga bata sa
How old were they?
tarmac.
Ilang taon na
Oh
sila?
my gosh, they were so small. I think Nella is the youngest. She would have been 6.
Okay.
So Jade would have been 7. Leona would have been 8. Tapos naglalakad sila sa tarmac. Tapos nag-guilty ako. Tapos I was telling Pao, naawa ko doon sa mga anak natin. Parang ang dami na nilang pinagdaanan para lang makapunta sa Australia. Sabi ko. Tapos naglalakad sila sa tarmac kasi it was a budget flight. So it wasn't like maglalakad ka tapos may tube ka papuntang air. Maglalakad ka pa rin sa tarmac. Sasakay ka ng bus. Sasakay ka. Parang ganong klaseng type. Tapos sabi ni Paolo, hindi yan. Maganda yan. It's good for their character.
yeah.
It's fine. They'll be fine. Yung nakakatulog habang nakayakap dun sa mga maleta. Tapos parang, oh no, ba't ito yung nagawa ko sa alandi? Okay yan, ayos yan. Character building yan for them.
At saka ano yan? For the memories.
Yes.
Oh, is it something they remember?
I'll ask them. I'll ask
I'm
them if they
curious.
remember that.
I'm
I'll ask them
curious
if they'll
to know
remember.
that.
Nella, my youngest, has no memory of anything ever. So, Leona will remember it likely. Our Lady Jade. Yeah, ikaw. Toughest.
Siguro yung pinakamahirap was nung December
Itong last
trip
Yung
Sila?
nag-states kayo na marami.
Dahil-
We were
ka
there
na.
for a month. And then we were traveling from different states.
Okay.
Bit-bit lahat.
Okay.
So lapag muna kaming LA, one day doon, nagbrigo doon ng empake kasi one maleta each. And then from there, we fly to Maryland. So malamig ang panahon.
Okay.
Aha.
So kailangan naka-empake lahat yon. Tapos yung mga damit, Mars, kailangan siyang umulit kasi isang maleta lang ang dala
Yes.
each. Red eye flights, connecting,
Oh,
kasi malayo eh. So Maryland parang dalawang connecting flight. And then pagdating doon, syempre pahinga, ganyan. And then another flight to Florida. So Jacksonville, pagdating naman namin doon, Empake bukas. Tapos, naawa ako sa mga bata kasi Mars, madaling araw yung flight.
Oh,
Yeah.
Aperday
There was
flight.
one travel from Florida to San Francisco. Mars, buong araw kaming nasa eroplano, 3 lipat. Para mura. Kailangan iisipin mo kasi 6 kami.
Oo nga, ang dami
Tapos,
nyo.
Mars, talagang na-appreciate ko yung mga anak ko. Kasi syempre, may flight na less than an hour, so mahuhuli pa lang yung tulog, biglang gigisingin mo na. So si Nolan iiyak. Pero mga after 5 minutes, okay,
Okay
na
na.
siya. Tulak mo, maleta mo.
Oo,
And this is
oo.
the large one.
Oo.
Kasi kanya-kanya kami.
Yeah.
Tapos, saan tayo sasakay? Airport. Talagang
Wow.
it was really, in short,
An adventure.
nabatak talaga yung pamilya namin.
Yeah.
And the best part this, yung pinaka-win doon is that walang nagkasakit sa mga anak ko.
Amen.
Kasi 1
Wow.
month.
Yes.
Lahat ng antibiotic, Mars, may baon ako.
Oo,
May prescription ako.
oo.
Kasi mahirap bumili
Yes.
doon. Diba?
Yes.
So may kanya-kanya sila. Meron for Nala, meron for Nolan, meron pang adults, lahat. Ganyan. One of the things na binili namin are neck pillows kasi economy
Okay.
kami.
Yeah.
Even the long-haul flights, economy kasi madami kami. So we needed to be practical. And we want to teach our kids that as well.
Yeah.
Na parang, ito ang totoong biyahe, guys.
Yes,
It's not
yes.
really the luxury. I mean,
Yeah.
if kung sakaling ito yung gusto nyong mangyari sa buhay nyo, pagtrabahuhan nyo. But we will not give it. Diba? Pati damay-damay tayo dito. And feeling ko yun yung naging memorable. Kasi ang dami naming napuntahan. And at this point, na-survive. Walang nagkasakit at hindi kami nag-away ni VJ.
Yan. Pa.
Win talaga.
That's how you know.
Na parang teamwork, diba? Oo. Teamwork,
You're with the right
tulungan,
person.
na parang how do we do
Yeah.
this? The biyahe, pagdating ng Florida, mainit naman.
Oh my
So
gosh,
lahat na
oo nga.
pag-usapan, na pagtulungan, even our older kids, Ice and Nathan, were very helpful. The memories we've
Yeah.
built together in that span of time that
Yeah,
we were together. Most memorable, also pinakamahirap na di ko alam kung kaya ko pa siyang ulitin. Parang ganun.
And I think the memorable ones nga, like you mentioned, are the hard ones. Are the tough ones, yung marami kayong adventure and most of all, misadventures. Di ba? Na parang hirap na hirap kayo. Buti na lang sa inyo, walang misadventure. Ibig sabihin, walang
Mars,
aksidente.
eto pa.
Wala na.
Okay.
Away.
Yung pinaka-memorable, bakit siya sobrang hirap? Pagdating namin sa San Francisco, Mars, wala kaming coaching rent-a-car. I did everything. Flights,
That one
everything.
thing na hindi
I left
na-organize.
one to VJ. Kasi sabi ko, wait lang, ang dami ko nang naasikaso ah.
Pwede ikaw naman
Oo,
dito.
ikaw yung rental ng cars. Hands off ako dyan. Kasi ikaw, alam mo yan eh. Mars, pagdating, hindi siya nakapag-rent ng car ahead of time. December 26, Pasko. Lahat ng kotse nakalabas. Ito yung pinaka-crucial doon, Mars. From San Francisco, we're gonna drive back to LA. I'm not gonna buy a flight. Definitely not. Over budget na kami. We needed that car. Alam mo, Mars, gusto ko nang awayan si VJ. I'm like, I only asked you to do
Yeah,
one thing.
You
yeah,
had one job.
Yes,
One
exactly.
job.
You had one
Tapos
job.
kumukulo na yung parang, kasi Mars, 2 days kami doon. First day, okay lang. Kasama my family, entire family, my siblings, all 20 of
But
us.
this time, kayo lang.
Uber lang kami. Sila nakakotse sila, kami Uber lang kami sa San Francisco. Wala kaming kotse. The next day, wala pa rin. Bukas, babiyahe na kami pa Yosemite, pa LA. Kailangan na namin yung kotse. 6 large luggage, Mars. We needed a specific
madali
car
lang. Hindi yan
that
madali
can
lang.
haul
A van.
6 people
Yeah.
and 6
6
luggage.
luggage.
Yeah.
So, napaka-crucial niya. Alam mo, Mars, ito talaga, legit, dasal. Lord, there is nothing that I can do. Awayan ko si VJ, anong mangyayari?
Anong
Masisira
mangyayari?
ba kasya namin? Pray, mommy ko. May kotse na ba kayo? Aalis na tayo? Pray lang tayo, mom. Tapos feeling ko yung nanay ko, nawirdohan na parang, gets ko naman na magdadasal tayo, pero,
May kumikilos
May
ba?
kumikilos
Habang
ba?
nagdadasal? Meron ba? O nandito ba tayong lahat?
Alam mo kasi, makakadagdag lang kasi sila sa stress eh.
totoo, kasi tas parang hindi nila alam mo, Mars, I was really calm. I'm like,
Kasi kung si Mars, kinaya niyang wag gawing issue, ay no kay mga nanay natin, gagawin issue.
Pero ramdam ko na
Lagot.
pigil sila na parang, wala pa kayong kotse, bukas sa alas, tiwala lang tayo.
Oo nga, maalam ko wala
Tapos
nga.
nag-usap na kami ni VJ, okay, tomorrow's the day that
Nakabahan
we
ako.
leave. So what do we do? Dalawang rental cars, isa dito, puntahan mo to, puntahan ko to. Kasi yung mga kapatid ko are willing to drive. So maghihiwalay na kami. Sinong unang makakuha ng kotse, get
Take it
it.
na.
Alam mo, Mars, that morning, ang pinakamalapit na rental car nakapag-release ng pickup truck that can haul more than 6 large luggage And all of us, and then my Nathan had to ride with one of my siblings kasi
perfect.
apat
Oo
lang
nga,
sila.
oo nga.
That morning that we leave.
Wow! So talagang parang...
Ang galing.
At dahil doon, pasok ang winning streak nila na hindi sila nag-away ni VJ. Ang swerte mo,
Konting
VJ.
pigil lang, guys.
Konti na lang yun.
Konting pigil lang.
Wow.
But I was so
Then-
tempted to.
I'm sure, yeah.
No, but even then,
Aw.
yun nga, these trips are really what make it. And then, you realize that for you to even go on these trips, kailangan palakasin mo yung loob mo. You have to have the courage
Yeah.
to do it and be ready to take whatever might come your way.
Yes.
You
Meron
just
at
gotta be
merong-
ready for it because
Yes.
memories are there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Meron
yeah.
talagang magiging
Yeah,
imperfect.
yeah.
Meron
Tama.
talagang may mag-feel.
Oo.
Pero kailangan lang talaga head in the game.
Yeah.
Magkakampi tayo, walang
Yeah,
mag-aaway.
tama.
Kasi once na pumasok na yung emosyon sa biyahe, problema yan. Gumastos lang kayo para mag-away. Sayang. Yan
Oo
yung
nga.
laging nasa
Yes.
isip
Oo
ko.
nga.
Sayang lahat ng ginastos ko dito. Kasi pag umuwi ako sa Manila, ang matatandaan ko lang itong away na to.
Eh sana kung mag-aaway tayo, dito na lang, hindi pa tayo gumastos. Libre lang naman mag-aaway dito, di ba? Bumiyahe pa
talaga.
tayo.
And Mars, all the more when you have small kids.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
that can completely change. Like, kunwari, you're thinking about jet lag. You're thinking about nap times.
Yeah.
Even if you have it all planned out.
Yes.
Eh, biglang sumakit yung tiyan ng isa. Biglang magkalagnat.
Correct.
You just gotta be ready for it.
Yes, for any of those
You
changes.
just gotta be ready
And
for
I
it.
remember one of the things that Paolo told me also was that kapag bumabiyahe na tayo with the kids, this trip is for them.
Yes.
Kasi I think
Natutunan ko
sometimes...
yan.
Oo, totoo, be.
Sabi ko, oo nga, no?
Kasi nga
Kasi
naman...
syempre gusto mo itinerary mo,
Of
di
course,
ba?
oo. Tsaka
But
vacation
then,
to, di ba dapat medyo pahinga din ako? No, no, no.
No, 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 no.
No, no, no. Bumiyahe kayong mag-asawa ng kayo lang.
Which is
Kung
why-
gusto nyong magbakasyon.
Which is why it's very real when people say, I need a vacation from,
From
the
a
vacation.
Exactly.
It is. There's
Yes.
a lot of
Yes,
And
yes.
also, if you're not as fortunate enough to afford bringing help with you on a trip, which I don't know about you, but I cannot afford bringing extra hands on a trip. Sabi ni Mars, you guys don't also bring ates on a trip. Do you bring ates on a trip?
We used to bring one kapag local travel. Tapos naisip namin, Meg, ikaw na lang. Antik, the
sister.
Why not? Di ba? Bakit nagdadala akong ibang tao? Although our yayas are great, magbanding pa kayo. Pamangkin mo naman yan.
Sa totoo lang, dream ko to be able to bring the ates. Because then at least that way kahit pa paano, I can also kind of,
maka-experience
enjoy the trip. And we were able to finally do a trip like that last year. We went to we all went to China. We all went to China together. But it's not a regular thing, which is why kami naman, Mars,
Kung gusto mong madalas.
pag local trip, kunwari pag drive
Yes.
lang,
We
then
bring
we'll bring
them.
all the ates.
Yan.
Because they are also part of our family. And we
Absolutely.
also
They
deserve the
enjoy,
break.
Absolutely.
We enjoy being with them. And also, however the dynamics are at home, because hindi rin kami puro asa sa mga ate namin eh. Because as much as possible, I want the kids to, to do things on their
For
own.
themselves, yes.
So when we're out, when we do a road trip, we also bring them because, it's also their chance to go to another place, to try food in another place.
Yung parang kahit na nagbabantay pa rin naman sila ng mga anak ninyo. Like they also, but it's in a different environment. And some of them, a lot of our angels, our yayas, our helpers, they grew up in the province malapit sa dagat.
Yes.
So they probably
Yes.
haven't seen the ocean in so long.
And,
Oo.
and you know that they enjoy kasi syempre picture sila ng picture
Correct.
doon para sa Facebook. So it's like, I'm glad that we get to experience this also as a family.
A whole family
But
with
syempre
them.
pagdating sa mga abroad, ayan na
Oo
ang
nga.
mga
Mga
challenges.
budgetary.
So, kailangan ako, kung meron man akong tip, practice muna kayo dito.
Yan.
Short trips lang
Yan.
muna. Pero, kapag medyo feeling mo, uy, medyo nababatak na, hindi naman, kasi nakakabigla yung ang haba agad eh.
Oo.
So, start
Agree.
small.
Agree.
So, that for me. And then, kapag medyo feeling mong ready na kayo, ayun na. So, parang when we had that US trip, I knew and I somehow felt that my kids are ready, even if
Oo.
they're young. Kasi nakailan na kami ng mga short trips,
Yes.
ibang lugar, ganyan.
practice.
Another tip, quickly, travel insurance. Get that. If you're gonna be traveling to
Agree.
a different country, 2 weeks kayo dyan,
Yes.
medyo matagal,
Yes.
get a travel insurance because if someone needs to go to the hospital, you will need it. You wouldn't wanna shell out your own money
Yes.
for that kasi sobrang mahal talaga niya.
Totoo. Agree. Lalo na sa abroad. Ako naman, for older kids naman, una dyan, meron naman kayo mga group chat na kapag malalaki na yung mga anak ninyo, may mga cellphone na. So, nandun lahat ng kanila mga, kunwari, boarding pass. Nandun yung details ng hotel. Nandun yung details ng flight. So, if ever magkahiwa-hiwalay kayo, kahit pa paano may idea sila kung saan pupunta. Kasi generally, syempre si nanay naman yung nagpaplano niya or si tatay. Sumusunod lang sila. Sometimes they have no idea. So that also they can help you with your trip. if they know where you're going, they can also scout around the area for the things that they'd like to do also. Kasi dahil malaki na sila, may iba't iba na silang trip versus kids. Matagal na kami hindi pumunta sa theme park. Hindi naman nila type eh. So kayo ang maghanap dun sa eto, yung area natin, ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin dyan.
Do your research.
Exactly. Make them part of the planning already because they're already
Maganda
big
yan.
enough. Sayang yung gumagastos kayo ang mamahal sa Disneyland.
Tapos kung
Hindi
sa-
nyo naman pala enjoy.
Trip. Oo,
Hindi nyo naman pala enjoy. So yung planning lang. Be flexible also at saka may briefings din kami. Like for example, pag may nangyari, dito tayo magkikita-kita. Yung those small things are important because you're all just visitors in that place.
Right.
So kailangan kayo din, you're all on the same page. Especially when it comes to emergency situations.
Just to share, Mars, yung US trip namin, meron kaming Canva. Naka-itinerary
Oh,
kami per day.
nice. Wow.
Outfit.
Declutter. Ikaw ba
Wow.
yun?
Totoo. Pinagawa to ni VJ kay Nathaniel. So everyday Mars flight,
Wow.
anong temperature doon, anong suot na damit,
Ang galing.
anong address ang titirhan
I
natin,
love
anong
it.
mode of transportation namin.
I love
As in,
it.
pinlano namin siya. Why? So that when we get there, hindi kayo puro tanong,
Yes.
saan tayo
Correct.
bukas? Ano ga?
Correct.
Go to our link.
Tama yan.
Oo nga.
Pati temperature, pati outfit, ano dito,
Tama
anong
yan.
weather dito,
I love
ulan ba,
That's a
anong
good tip,
activity,
Mars.
may
Beautiful
picture kami dyan. So, balik ka lang ng balik sa Canva.
Hindi,
Bukas mabiyahe tayo, empake na kayo.
Pati Mars, kung ikaw na ngang nagplano ng lahat, you're also giving them a responsibility na ito na yung ambag mo.
Oo.
Ayusin mo na lang para klaro para sa
Lahat
lahat.
ng pupuntahan,
I
Google
like
Maps
that.
link,
Correct.
nakapasok, ikiklik mo.
like
Tsaka
that,
mapupuri mo
Mars.
pa sila na tipo, oy, good job kuya, biruin mo ito nagawa mo para sa mga kapatid
And
mo or the
appreciate
rest.
you, Nathaniel.
Yes,
Oo,
exactly.
Because he was the one who really did that.
It's
Very
nice, kuya.
detailed itinerary because it's
Good
a
job.
long trip.
Yes,
Diba?
sobrang.
Ayaw mong sayangin yun.
I like that. Ako, yung tip ko is, maybe just don't even wait till you're ready.
Yeah.
Just do it. And the things that you fear, I promise you, you're gonna figure it out. You will figure it out.
Oo.
And then you're gonna look back and you're gonna be like, I got through that.
Proud ka sa self
Proud
mo.
ka sa
Good
sarili
job.
mo. I mean,
Naitawid natin yun mga anak.
maitatawid mo
Oo.
yan. It's not gonna be easy, but it's all part of it because it's also for yourself. You're learning things about yourself.
Yeah.
You're testing yourself.
That's true.
And then, just seeing the family work together, there's just nothing like it.
I agree.
It's the best when you see the kids taking care of each other. Hey, guys, can you take care of the little one because I just need to go to the toilet? Or everyone's going to find a way
Yes.
to help each other out.
Yes,
And that's
yes.
really what builds the bond,
Oo,
the dynamics.
Yun yung babayaran mo.
Oo.
Yun yung gagastusan mo.
At
Ito,
worth it.
last na, AirTag. AirTag your children.
Para sure.
Please.
Para lang
You're in a
sure.
different country.
Oo din, oo
Ikaw
din.
nawawala ka rin dyan. So kung ikaw nawawala ka, sila din AirTag.
Tama. Nice one.
Alam
Good
mo,
tip.
gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi ko na nag-guilty kasi ako kasi actually hindi rin ako sure nung sinabi ko that my uncles and my aunts would pay for our tickets. I'm actually not completely sure. I don't want to disregard my mom and dad's hard work.
Of course!
Because I know naman my mom and dad also
Oo
work hard.
naman.
But
Oo.
I also know that
They did their
it
best.
costs a lot of money to go on a trip.
Totoo.
So I honestly don't even know how we managed to fly. And so I'm just thinking that on top of what mom and dad worked hard for so that we could fly, kung ano man ang kulang, I'm pretty sure may kamag-anak kami dyan na tumulong.
Oo, na si Lord na yung nag-bless
Nag-provide.
mo.
Oo nga.
Na nag-provide
people,
for the
yeah.
memories, for the family bonding.
Do it, guys. Do it kahit simpleng bakasyon lang yan. Yung maiba lang kayo mula dun sa pang-araw-araw yung ginagawa. Di ba? Lumayo lang kayo ng konti. Kailan kayo huling nagluneta? Pwede mag-picnic dun, ha? Pwede kayo mag-start sa mga ganong bagay lang na maliliit. Doon kayo pwede mag-practice. Tapos local flights, in the future, international flights.
And do you know that it's the best way they learn?
Yeah.
That everybody
Yeah.
learns. You learn a
Yeah.
new language.
Yes.
You learn about culture.
Yeah,
You learn
tama.
different ways of
Being
behaving.
observant.
Being
Oo.
observant. It's,
Yung masaklap lang doon, ikukumpara nila yung lugar na yun sa
Ako, yan na.
bakit sa Pinas walang ganyan?
country, mom. It's like this and like that.
But alam mo, Mars, yung napansin ko, every time we come home from a trip, parang nagmamature yung mga bata.
Yung mga
Oo.
And it's so evident. It's so evident.
Kaya sinasabi nga nila, learning hindi lang yan nasa loob ng classroom, di ba? It's exposure also. When you expose them to different things, different culture, different people, different food, ayan, lalawak na yung mga kaalaman nila. as they grow older.
At dahil dyan, tayo na magplano ng trip natin.
Pwede ba?
Where to,
Kaya nyo ba,
guys?
guys?
Dahil dyan,
Ako,
plano
game
tayo.
ako. Marami akong
Unahin muna natin yung
oras.
staycation natin dun sa hotel na pinuntahan
Oo nga.
natin.
May Marriott tayo, may Hilton
may-
tayo, may ano pa
Okura.
tayo, may Okura
Alam
tayo.
na, guys,
Mapiliin na yan, ha,
Puntahan
guys?
Na yan. I-book na yan.
So,
O
para
siya.
dun sa mga parents dyan na nangangarap na sana someday mailabas ang kanilang mga anak, you can start small. All you need to do is create new experiences for them. It doesn't have to be expensive in the beginning.
Yes, and be brave. Have the
Yes.
courage to step out of your comfort zone. Alam ko yun na maparating takot. Kasi paano pagkain dyan? Paano bit-bit natin lahat? Then you will learn na, ito lang palang kailangan eh. Ito, wipes at tubig
correct.
lang palang
Correct.
kailangan
Tsaka
eh.
sa tulong ng internet, imposibleng wala ka nang mariresearch. Pati budget.
Agree. Tama. Ayun, so thank you so much
do
guys
it,
for
guys.
joining us. Ito ang aming season ender. At dahil sa suporta po ninyo, patuloy pa rin ang podcast natin sa next season. Kaya abangan pa ang marami naming mga episodes.
Yes, dahil tuloy ang paglilipad ng
Kami ang inyong mga